10-ton of gas-fired steam boiler used for paper-making industry in Indonesia. Sitong Boiler. The production of paper products requires steam heat source processing. Therefore, the performance of steam boilers will directly affect the output and quality of paper enterprises. A professional enterprise in Indonesia that specializes in packaging colored paper products. The company has strong technical strength, multiple advanced equipment, and automated processes. Among them, the corrugated paper production line is the key production equipment of the enterprise, and the formation of corrugated paper requires sufficient and stable steam. The leadership of the enterprise decided to order an efficient and stable steam boiler to improve the production quality and automation level of the corrugated paper production line, achieving the goal of increasing efficiency and saving costs. They were attracted by the excellent quality performance and environmental advantages of Sitong Boiler's W&S series gas-fired steam boiler after comparing and analyzing numerous boiler products. Therefore, Sitong Boiler has successfully cooperated with the papermaking enterprise with the excellent quality and performance of the W&S series gas steam boiler.